Let me tell you something slightly uncomfortable. In 2026, the biggest risk to your money is not the stock market. It's not inflation. It's not even bad government policy. The biggest risk is doing nothing because you're waiting to learn properly. Because while you're waiting, prices are rising quietly, salaries are moving slowly, and your money is standing still. So today, I'm not going to teach you finance theory. I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I were starting from zero with just 5,000 Indian rupees in 2026. This video is for people who are busy. You don't want 20 tabs open. You don't want fancy words. You just want a plan that makes sense and doesn't keep you awake at night. And no, this is not a get-rich-quick story. This is a don't stay poor by default plan. Before we talk about where the 5,000 Indian rupees goes, here's the only rule I'd follow in 2026. Never bet your future on one single idea. Not one stock. Not one app. Not one expert. Not one market. Because the world today doesn't break slowly. It breaks suddenly. So my 5,000 rupee wouldn't chase excitement. It would buy balance. Here's the exact split. 2,000 rupee in index funds. 2,000 rupee in gold. 1,000 rupee in small cap equity. That's it. No complexity. No daily tracking. Now let me tell you why this works. First, 2,000 rupee into index funds. Think of an index fund like this. You're not trying to guess which company will win. You're betting that India, as a system, will grow. Banks, IT, manufacturing, consumption. All moving together over time. This 2,000 Indian rupees is not exciting. And that's the point. It's the money that works silently, while you focus on your career, your family, your life. If markets fall, you buy more later. If markets rise, you don't panic sell. This is your economic engine. Next, 2,000 Indian rupees into gold. Not because gold gives amazing returns every year, but because gold behaves differently. When the world behaves badly. When currencies weaken. When wars start. When confidence drops. Gold doesn't ask questions. It just holds value. Think of gold as your financial seatbelt. You hope you never need it. But you'll be very glad it's there when the road gets rough. Finally, 1,000 rupees in small cap equity. This is the growth bet. Smaller companies. Bigger potential. Bigger ups and downs. Notice something important here. I didn't put 5,000 Indian rupees here. I didn't even put 3,000 Indian rupees. Because small caps reward patience and punish overconfidence. This 1,000 Indian rupees is allowed to be volatile. It's allowed to scare you a little. But it's not allowed to ruin your sleep. This combination does something powerful. When markets boom, index and small caps help you grow. When markets crash, gold slows the damage. When you feel confused, the plan stays simple. Investing is not about predicting the future. It's about surviving every version of it. Here's the truth nobody puts in thumbnails. 5,000 rupees once won't change your life. But 5,000 rupee every month. For 10 to 15 years. That changes how you retire. How you switch careers. How much stress money causes in your life. Wealth is not built by intelligence. It's built by showing up regularly. The moment you start investing, something bigger than money changes. You stop feeling like an employee of the economy and start feeling like a participant in it. You stop fearing headlines. You start understanding them. And that confidence? That's the real return. If this video made finance feel clearer, not scarier, you're in the right place. Subscribe if you want money to finally make sense, without noise, hype, or jargon. And remember, you don't need more information. You need a simple plan and the courage to start.